Good afternoon from the National Weather Service in Gaylord, and welcome to the latest hazardous weather briefing for northern lower and eastern upper Michigan. Today is Saturday, June 22nd, 2013. The highlights over the next several days will basically be summertime weather with a few risks for thunderstorms. In fact, that risk for storms will continue through the rest of this weekend and right on through the upcoming work week through Friday. Won't be a washout, but there will be periodic chances for storms through that period. Severe weather is not expected across northern Michigan tonight or through the end of the weekend. The weather map as of late Saturday afternoon showed a stationary front from central lower Michigan back westward, anchored to an area of low pressure over southern Minnesota, with another area of disturbed weather and a frontal boundary across the Dakotas. This front over central lower Michigan will drift slowly northward tonight and Sunday, which will allow a continuation of warm and humid weather and that risk for thunderstorms. Then as the disturbed weather over the Dakotas approaches later in the day on Sunday and especially late Sunday night, there will be more risks for thunderstorms. The forecast weather map for Tuesday morning shows that stationary front draped across northern lower Michigan back to the Plain States, with high pressure over the western Atlantic providing southwesterly flow, warm and humid weather across a good portion of the eastern part of the country. Northern Michigan can expect continued warm and humid weather with some risks for thunderstorms. Here is the severe weather outlook from the Storm Prediction Center for tonight, and shaded in yellow is the best threat for severe weather for tonight, and you can see that remains back to the west over the northern Plain States west of Michigan. And the severe weather outlook for Sunday and Sunday night continues to keep the best risk for severe thunderstorms just to the west of lower Michigan, though it inches a bit closer across portions of the upper peninsula and Wisconsin. So again, the main weather story is summertime warmth for the next several days with a few risks for thunderstorms along the way. Tonight we do have a slight risk for a thunderstorm early this evening, mainly south of a line from Cadillac to Alpena, and then there's another risk late tonight across eastern upper Michigan and parts of northwest lower Michigan. None of these storms are expected to be severe. Low temperatures tonight will be in the upper 50s to middle 60s, and it'll be on the muggy side. That risk of thunderstorms continues through the upcoming work week. And this concludes the hazardous weather briefing for this afternoon. We thank you for listening in. The next update is expected tomorrow morning around 5 a.m.